guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna be showing our birthday presents here that I got from my yesterday's birthday party. We didn't open them until now because we wanted to show you guys, our viewers here, and who are watching us continuously. Thank you for the support. Now let's get right into the details here with all our gifts. You can see here we have all the gifts here. First, let us open this one that I got from Aaras, my friend. Whoa, guys, look, it's a mastermind board game here. We got the classic code cracking game. If you guys also have this game, please let us know down in the comments below. This is a really cool code game here. You can now play with up to 5 players. It's about matching the colors and in which row you have here. And let's next one. Okay, next now let us see our next one. Here you can see this is the green one here that I got from Soham. It's written here, Happy birthday Aaras, may God bless you Soham. Okay, let's open it and see how it is. Oh, he got me a Smiggle pencil case here. Here you can see it's a Smiggle pencil case. Navy blue color with the space astronaut on it. Thank you so much for giving us this. Next, let us check what is in this Lego cover here. I'm sure there's a lot of gifts inside. Whoa, the first thing I see here is a Lego Ninjago set. This is from one of my dad's friends that he called. Here, it's known as Lloyd's Race Car Evo. Here you can see there's 3 modes. There's Start, Accelerate and Accelerate. It's a really cool set that I'll be opening and showing you guys in a future video how you're gonna make it. Now next we have here, oh, this is a EX battle deck that my friend Abhinav got me. He gave me some extra cards here. Let's see what are these cards. It's a Greninja EX battle deck, which contains a total of 60 card deck, which is constructed and ready to play. So here, let's see the cards that are taped here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is a kind of mess. You can see here that he gave me two Greninja Vs. A Kingler V Max, 2 Kingler Vs, an Inteleon V Max, and 2 Inteleon Vs you can see, and another Inteleon V Max. So these cards I think are to help out the deck. So thank you Abhinav for getting me these. And let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a Lego Brickheads of Miles Tail Prowler. This is another one that one of my dad's friends got for me. Really cool. So now I have another Lego set. Next up, whoa, it's a Bluetooth speaker that Anish got me. Yeah, I think he got it from me from Daiso, Japan here. Okay, Kala. Smiggle Chipper.
Started.
And next up here we have a Bluetooth speaker that Anish got me. It looks very cool. It is a portable speaker which you can carry anywhere. It is blue color, I think it's written here. Yeah, it's blue. You can see it's a blue color. So Thanks for Anish for getting me this. Next up, we have another gift from Anish. Let's open it and find out what's inside. Oh, it's a set of watercolors. You can see the colors here of the paints. There's 6 ml paint in each of them. They're all different types of colors here. This is going to be really useful for when I have art class or something. Okay, so this is another gift that Anish got me. So I'm really give my gratitude to Anish for getting me this. Thank you, Anish. Next up, we have this giant red one that I got from my friend called Dishani here. It's written Happy Birthday Aaras from Dishani. She wrapped it in red. Let's see what's inside. And next up, let's see what this big gift we got here. It looks like I got this from my friend called Dishani here from my condo here. It is written, she gave me a note here. It's written Happy Birthday Aaras from Dishani. Thank you Dishani for this gift. She wrapped it in red, so let's see what's inside. No way! I cannot believe this, guys. I got a keyboard. This is insane. It's from a company called Candle. She got me the black color one. I'll show you the back. I'll see if it opens first. Here. Let's see here. She gave me the black one. It looks like it has a vocalism microphone and it is an electronic keyboard here. It has a built-in grip for easy portability, and it also has rhythmic lights. This is insane. What a cool gift this is that she gave me. Thank you, Rishani. And now, last but not least, we have the gift that I got from my school friend Anirudh. It looks like he wrapped it in Toys R Us cover, so let's check out what's inside. It's also has the same size as the keyboard. I hope it's not another keyboard. Oh shit, he tied it really well. He packaged it really well. No way, guys, I got the... Wait, guys, I'll show you. I will actually show you. It is insane. You guys guess what it is?
Oh my god.
It's a new Nerf Elite 2.0 Eagle Point.
The most favorite?
No. But it looks insane, like a real sniper. It has a detachable scope. It has a tactical rail. It has literally a removable barrel and an 8-dart revolving rim, I think. Yeah. And an arrangement for its lot of bullets here. It comes with 16 darts. So this is a new Nerf Elite 2.0 Eagle Point that Anirudh got me here. Thank you Anirudh for giving me this. But I think he also wrote a note that I forgot to show you guys. I ripped it open. It's so bad. Okay, here. From Anirudh. Happy B-Day Aaras. Smiley face. Hope you like the gift. So this was a really good gifts that I got here from my friends. So thank you to everybody who has given me these gifts, and also for coming to my birthday party. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me open up my birthday presents here. If you guys want to watch more, please check out our channel here and also our birthday party video. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to share, like and comment this video to all your friends here. Please ask all your friends to watch it this video twice or again. Thank you guys for coming here and watching it and giving us support. Okay, bye guys. Thank you.
చెప్పు నువ్వు You wanna tell?
Hey! Okay guys, let me ask you a question here. Which one of these gifts do you think are my favorite? Please let us know down in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment, bye.